Before you start with gardening, you need to make sure that you are going to have the time in taking care of your plants. Growing your plants requires tending loving care, and there are lots of things involved in it. Thus, check if you would be able to come up with an effective daily schedule first before you start planting the seeds. When you start gardening, there are certain materials that you would need such as a rake, pots, shovel, and such. Thus, it is best if you gather all the materials first so that you would be able to start with your gardening in a smoother way. If you need to purchase some of them, make sure that you visit reputable stores for them, so that you can be assured of their quality. Make a plan for your gardening. Your plan should include the kind of space that you would need for your plants. Aside from that, it should also involve the steps that you want to take so that you would have something to refer to from time to time. Making a plan and following it should get you started on the right path when it comes to gardening. When you are about to start with your gardening, do not forget to decide on the plants that you want to have in it. Whether you want vegetables, herbs, or flowers in your garden, it is best that you choose the ones that you really want, so that you would be motivated in caring for them. Gather more information about what various plants can offer to you, so that you can decide better. It is best if you tell your friends about your plans for gardening. This way, they may be able to provide you helpful information such as where to purchase seedlings, where to buy gardening materials, and such. Aside from that, it can also entice them to have their own gardens in their backyards. Once you have already set up your garden and have started planting, it is best to focus on maintaining its cleanliness. If the surrounding is clean, you can ensure that your plants would be safe from lots of bugs and other pests. Aside from that, it would also help you work better when the environment is clean. Do not forget to check the soil condition. Learning about how to check for the condition of your soil can be done through research. However, if you do not have the luxury of time to do that, you can always find experts that can help you with it. By checking the condition of your soil, you would be able to take the necessary steps in order to ensure that your plants would grow as healthy as they can be.